If you are still looking for materials for outdoor sunshade products, we can solve your problem by producing gazebo grill aluminum alloy materials. Gazebo grill aluminum profiles perfectly replaces original wooden structure. Gazebo grill are superior to wooden ones in terms of fire and water resistance, insect and ant resistance, and corrosion resistance. It is lighter in weight than wood, but its structural stability is higher than that of wood. Our gazebo grill aluminum profiles are very convenient to process and manufacture. If you have a cutting machine or milling machine, you can process and produce various styles of gazebo grill. Both modern and retro-styled gazebo grills can be processed and made using the same materials. We not only produce aluminum for gazebo grill, we also provide you with a complete set of accessories required for production, maximizing savings on your time and labor costs. Quickly resolve your production and product issues.